In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear recently visited communities on Reddit. Whether you're trying to maintain a bit of privacy or simply tidy up your browsing experience, this is a straightforward process that anyone can follow. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure that you're logged into your Reddit account. This step is crucial because the settings we'll be adjusting are specific to your personal account. If you're new to Reddit and haven't signed up yet, take a moment to create an account. It's a fairly simple process that just involves a few clicks, and you'll be set up in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your account settings. This is where you can view the communities you've recently visited. For those who frequently browse a variety of subreddits, this list can grow quite lengthy. To clear the clutter, you'll need to navigate to your account settings. To begin, locate your profile icon. This is usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and give that a tap. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find the Settings button. Click on it to proceed. In the settings, you'll notice several different categories, but for our purpose today, we're aiming for the privacy settings. Head over to the privacy section by scrolling through your options. It's located there, awaiting your command. Within the privacy settings, you'll want to scroll down to the advanced section. Here is where you'll find the option to clear your history. This is the key step in removing your recent visits. Once you've reached this section, tap on the Clear History option. This action will erase all traces of the communities you have recently visited on Reddit, giving your browsing history a fresh start. And just like that, your history of recently visited communities is cleared. It's as simple as that. Now your Reddit footprint is a bit lighter, and you can continue to browse or discover new communities with a clean slate. Remember, you can repeat this process anytime to maintain a tidy browsing history. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your online experience. See you next time.